Last summer, we were in Scotland and we got caught in a torrential downpour while we were on a walking tour of Edinburgh. Now, of course, our tour guide barely even seemed to notice the rain, but Scott and I quickly learned that our wimpy little Southern California umbrellas were not cut out to handle actual weather. Before we knew it, they were completely soaked all the way through. It was actually raining on the inside of the umbrella. We were completely drenched. Now, the funny thing was, we thought we were prepared. I mean, we knew it was gonna rain and we planned accordingly, or so we thought, but obviously our preparations were completely inadequate. Now, the good news is that that was nothing that some hot coffee and dry clothes couldn't fix. But maybe you find yourself in your business in a different kind of storm right now, and you're feeling unprepared, maybe even like you're drowning. Know that this storm will pass. If there's damage, you'll repair it. If there's setbacks, you'll recover from it. If you get worn down, you'll rise up again. So stay focused on what you do have, what you can control, and the actions that you can take, and don't hesitate to reach out for help when you need it. I've got some oars if you're ready to paddle. Just reach out. Thanks for watching.